Hey guys, this is the 6th March and I just got a new style. I just got my beard cut and it was yesterday and I think it was maybe like 50%. I think it's self-sabotaging. I was like looking very good yesterday. So I was like, let me just cut. It was unconscious, maybe like that, or maybe it was like conscious. I don't know, but I just doubt this. But I would definitely say that it was there are some facts about it that I was looking very, very good yesterday, like so of my best, and um, because of that, I think I don't believe that I can look like that, and because of that, I just like punish myself with this and something like that, or maybe just trying this stuff. But and also I like what do you say? I kind of have rationalize my way that it's not like that. It's something else. It's just a new style or something. But um, deep down, I know, like that was also a factor that like helped, that like boosted this decision to just cut this thing. But it's like a new stuff, just something new. But yeah, so what I have learned from yesterday also is just like going out helps, and how it helps is that just what I was doing wrong, I think before, and I'm just like very soft in this, is that I was just this feels so scary to just go there, but I was just like after the session, I would just like go home and analyze like what happened. I would just feel bad about me just not taking action, and I was like, I'm just accepting it that time. I'm just like fine with it, but I'm just like doing it a little bit later. I'm just doing it at home or something. So I need to accept that I'm not able to do, and I'm just like chill and not have my brain stuck into it. Like my brain capacity is stuck into like I'm not doing stuff like that. I don't need to engage my brain into that thing because it's not gonna help me. What's gonna help is that I just like diligently think and work around through. It's not gonna help that I just like beat myself that it's not going to work. And I just realized yesterday that I'm just doing that. I'm just like kind of punishing myself for not doing it, and I'm just like that it's very unconscious. It's not like consciously I'm saying that okay, I'm beating myself, but it's just like unconscious thing that I would do. And as soon as I realized, it just like helped me a lot. It just helped me in my lot of ways. It just showed me other ways to like earn money and how to just maximize it. And just show me potential. It's like there's no limit of doing the work. And I was I don't know, because of maybe I think it's because maybe childhood traumas or something. I just like work very hard, and I just know to do that. And it just helped me a lot in like lot of the sectors that I'm in. But like in trading, it helped me a lot. In my AI work is also it helped me a lot. And in this also, I think I'm just working and just know the one thing, that's like work, and just find the way, and find the way. It's good. So what I was doing wrong is that when I would just go to night game or something, just like feel bad that I'm not opening, and I stop myself. I just like physically stop myself to not open, which I just realized, and I'm like, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna. But it's very hard. I'm just gonna like chill about it and just accept it. I see the set, I wanna open, but I'm not able to open. Accept it. So as the repetition of it, it's gonna get easier for me, and once it's gonna get easier for me, it's gonna be easier for me to open also. And that's the only way. That's like the only way. I just have to open. If I want to open, then I have to open. That's not the way. And the rejection and all the stuff's gonna be like that. It's not gonna like go away. That's what I realized. It's just like a very high level overview or something. But anyway guys, I'm going to end now. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.